Hi, this is Sam. I got a stolen etrain DMX bike. Well, Mr. Frames just stole the etrain. I have a Haro back rim with a Haro tire with a 14-tooth driver down here. Verde sprocket that my friend gave me. Nitrous cranks. Odyssey twisted pedals. A KMC chain that my friend gave me. Diatech U-brake, Dan's comp sticker. Up here is a volume pivotal seat with a Verde seat post. We go up a little bit more, we have an Odyssey split cable that runs all the way up to a Odyssey mono lever with a trigger. It's pretty good. I have Odyssey Aeronauts keyboard grips with Odyssey bar ends. They're pretty good too, the keyboard grips. I got a kink relief stem with Odyssey bars. And you go down a little bit more. FSA headset with Eastern forks and Alienation plain black front rim with a Haro hub. Right there's the sticker for it. I got an Empire sticker on here. There is Dan's comp sticker down there. And I'd say that's probably about it. I'm gonna get Odyssey farm bolt cranks and a new back rim. Well, thanks for watching and hope you liked it.